Wait for the final look. It's the DIY beads pin kit. I'm honestly so obsessed. It's super easy to do. It's the perfect way to romanticize your free time after a long day.